I think this is a very good facility for Geely because now the safety is one of the most important things that people. So if we communicate that Geely is a very, very safety brand, it would be better for the customers to think in Geely before in other brands because of safety. And so to the people to know that Geely owns Volvo and develops some technologies for safety in between is a very good idea.
I like how comprehensive the Geely Safety Center is. They didn't stop at simply testing collisions, but they actually tested each individual. Across all the labs, not only were they using industry-specific equipment for testing, but there were a lot of local R&D, like equipment that was produced in-house at Geely. And that really shows that they're not just here to hit certain industry standards, but they're actually really interested in testing safety and making their vehicles safe.